In part 3, we buttoned up the front end and now it's time to lower the rear. We're going to move the leaf spring up on the frame using a hanger and shackle kit. This is your factory leaf spring hanger, the front mount for your leaf spring. In the middle of your leaf spring, the axle is secured with spring plates and U-bolts. On the rear of your leaf spring, the shackle is the part which mounts the leaf spring to the frame. Shackles are a moving part. As your rear suspension moves up and down, your leaf spring gets longer and shorter, and the shackle rotates forward and backward, allowing this movement. There are several popular ways to remove the factory leaf spring hanger. Here we used a plasma cutter to burn the heads off the factory rivets. You can also chisel the heads off or drill them out. These rivets can be very hard to remove. Allow yourself plenty of time to remove your hangers. Doing a little cleanup here on the frame. The plasma cutter came in handy again to remove the factory U-bolts. Please note, it is not necessary to remove the factory U-bolts. Only do this if you think they should be replaced. Since we're replacing the U-bolts, we did completely remove the leaf spring. Notice the DJM shackle is longer than the factory shackle. This is the secret to how a lowering shackle works. The DJM leaf spring hanger raises the mounting point on the frame, accomplishing the same thing as the lowering shackle. With the leaf spring mounting points moved up on the frame, you will see about 4 inches of drop in the rear end. Rear axle and leaf spring mated up with new U-bolts. New DJM shocks installed. A sweet 1966 Ford F100, lowered, aligned, and rides great.